Hey guys, coming at you today with a tutorial on how I do my twist outs because a few of y'all been asking. So this is a few day old wash and go that I need to really wash out. It needs to wash and go. This is what my hair looks like fresh out the shower, no product whatsoever. 4C girls represent because we in here, okay? We in here to stay. This is the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Leave-In Conditioner by Shea Moisture that I use. I use the LCO method. If you don't know what that means, Google it. I also use the Holy Grail, the Curl Enhancing Smoothie. My hair loves these thick creams and butters, and I also use my own mixture of olive oil with a few drops of peppermint oil, and that's what that is right there. It smells great. It makes your hair smell great, and it's just great for your hair. Peppermint oil, Google it, great for ends. I'm a horrible natural. I did not show you applying that to my wet hair. So instead, this is everything on my dry hair. No, I did not reapply that product whatsoever. I just retwist it every single night because I sleep hard as hell apparently. And if I go to sleep without twisting up my hair every single night, it looks a hot mess in the morning. So usually I just twist it as I'm watching TV. It takes me about 15 to 20 minutes. Not that long at all. Actually, I'm watching TV. I'm doing this right now, so makes it go by fast. Tie it down. Next morning, I look tired as hell because I am tired as hell, and obviously, I look so over the day, even though the day has not started yet. Look at that yawn. So what I like to do is apply some of that same peppermint oil / olive oil mixed to my hands. That helps to reduce the frizz on your twist out as you're taking it out. Just adds a little bit of like lubrication to between your strands as you're doing that. So all I just do is just take and unravel very carefully the curls. Sometimes on day one hair, I like to leave them big because it is humid in Florida, so I know my curls are going to swell. But on day 5 hair, or day 3 or 4 hair, I like to have bigger curls, so I kind of unravel them just a little bit more. Sit and untwist and untwist and untwist. Get a little closer to the camera so you can see how I do it. It's really self-explanatory, but you never know. Somebody may not know how to untwist. Just keep on untwisting and untwisting and untwisting. Now I'm getting down to the last one, and I'm just talking right now because I have to fill up the space. Last one. All right. See? Wait, I missed one. All right, just make sure I'm not missing anything else. Oh, look, see, got another one I missed. Right now, I'm just securing the left side of my head because that's the side I sleep on, so that side always comes out a little bit flat. So I'm just securing it back with a bobby pin and flat twisting it to my head and securing it, fluffing it out. Okay, I'm feeling myself. Look at that little smirk right there. Right there, I'm flaking out a little bit of old edge control that you had in my hair that I won't use anymore because it flaked in my hair so freaking bad. But look at that smile. I'm feeling myself ever so slightly. And there you go.